Dashcam madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. This idiot nearly pits me while cutting across 5 lanes of traffic. God gave them another life. Hopefully, he'll not risk that again. No idea what she was trying to accomplish here. Driving a truck means never missing your exit, no matter how far past it you've driven. Truck driver, it's my way or the highway. Minivan driver, not today it's not. Not paying attention to traffic and making a blind turn. Tesla driver were foreseeable, but still dumb. In a hurry to be somewhere, buddy? This idiot runs a red light and turns right into traffic. Most people stop in the middle and wait until it's clear. This idiot pulled out to turn right on red, then honks at me after as if I'm at fault. Another scene that looks like it's straight out of a movie. Running a red light to save exactly 0 seconds. Just another day with 2 idiots caught on cam. This driver does a complete stop on Major Deegan Expressway, then brake checks me at least twice. Why wait for a safe gap in traffic when you can make your own? This truck slides through a red light with a trailer. Be careful around trucks.
Trying to stop theft is to track purchases and sales. None of this stuff happens in private places. It's not an offense. And that is that much of a thing. By the way, did you say how many years?
How many years?
He's looking at.
19.
Remember what we said about the murder thing? The Bitcoin? How many years they were?
Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.